Hello everyone, in this video we are solve this interesting math question. X square minus x cube is equal to 12, and we are find out what is the value of x in this exponential equation. So how to solve this math Olympiad question? So our question is x square minus x cube is equal to 12. So solution, first of all, I can see easily here is x square minus x cube is equal to 12. Then if I move on this 12 in this side, I can see easily this equation becomes x square minus x cube minus 12 is equal to 0. Then I can see easily it will be x square minus x cube, and this minus 12 I can see easily it will be minus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. Look, minus 4 and minus 8, it will be minus 12. Then I can see easily it will be x square minus x cube. 4, it will be 2 to the power 2 minus 8, it will be 2 to the power 3 is equal to 0. Because of that, here is x square, this is x cube, and here is 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3. And at this moment, I can say this equation becomes x square minus 2 to the power 2, and here is x cube minus 2 to the power 3 is equal to 0. Then this equation becomes, I can say easily it will be x square minus 2 to the power 2, and here is minus is common, so it will be x cube minus divide minus, it will be plus, minus minus it will be plus, so I can say plus 2 to the power 2 is equal to 0. Then we know that a square minus b square, it will be a plus b times a minus b. And again, we know that a cube plus b cube, it will be a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. According to these rules, I can see easily this equation, it will be a, here is x plus 2 times x minus 2 minus, and in this case I can see easily this, it will be a cube plus b cube, this formula, so I can say it will be x plus 2 times x square minus 2 times x, it will be twice x, plus 2 to the power, look, 2, so it will be 4 is equal to 0. Then I can say in this case x plus 2 is common, so x plus 2 again here is common. Because of that, here is x plus 2, this is x plus 2, so this divide this, it will be bracket x minus 2. Then I can say this divide this, it will be this, so I can say it will be minus x square. Because of that, this is minus, so minus minus it will be twice x plus twice x, and minus plus it will be minus 4 is equal to 0. Then I can say it will be, look, I can say easily it will be x plus 2 times, and it will be minus x square, this is minus x square, and I can say easily it will be plus 3x. Because of that, here is 2x and this is x, it will be 3x, and I can see it will be minus 4 minus 2, it will be minus 6 is equal to 0. So we'll find out here is two cases. Our first case is x plus 2 is equal to 0, so we'll find out x plus 2 is equal to 0, and others case we'll find out minus x square plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then I can see easily here is x is equal to minus 2, and in this case I can say here is minus 1 is common, so it will be x square minus 3x, and minus minus it will be plus 6 is equal to 0. Then I can see easily x square minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. 0 divide minus 1, it will be 0. Then it is a quadratic equation, so in this case I can see easily here is a is equal to 1, and b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to 6, and we know that here is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So according to these rules, I can say easily here is x is equal to minus b. So it will be minus, and here is minus 3 plus minus square root b square. So v, it will be minus 3 whole square minus 4a, a is 1 and c is 6 over 2a, a is 1. Then I can see easily here is x is equal to, look, minus minus, it will be plus 3 plus minus square root, and in this case I can see easily 9 minus 4 times 6, it will be 24 over 2. Then I can see easily it will be 3 plus minus square root 24 minus 9, it will be minus 15 over 2. Then in this case I can see easily x is equal to 3 plus minus square root 15i over 2. Because of that, we know that here is minus 15, so it will be square root 15i. So we'll find out x is equal to minus 1, x1 is equal to, and x2 is equal to 3 plus square root 15i over 2. And again I can say x3, it will be 3 minus square root 15i over 2. So this is our final answer. So at this moment we have checked out it is right answer. Is it right answer? So let's start. Our question is, look, our question is x square minus x cube is equal to 12, and we'll find out x is equal to 2 minus 2, and we'll find out x is equal to 3 plus square root 15i over 2. This is 2, this is 1, and we'll find out x3, it will be 3 minus square root 15i over 2. Let's check out. Our question is x square minus x cube is equal to 12. So first of all, if I put minus 2 in this case, so I can say minus 2 to the power 2 minus bracket, and x is equal to minus 2 to the power 3 is equal to 12. So in this case I can see easily minus 2 to the power 2, it is even number, so it will be 4, and minus 2 to the power 3, it is odd number, power is odd number, I mean exponent is odd number, so I can see easily it will be minus 8 is equal to 12. So I can see easily minus minus, it will be plus, so 4 plus 8, it will be 12, so I can say 12 is equal to 12. So x is equal to minus 2 is our right answer. And again we'll find out x2 is equal to 3 plus square root 15i over 2. So in this case, if I put the value, this value in this equation, so I can see easily it will be 3 plus square root 15i and whole to the over 2 and whole to the power 2 minus, and in this case I can say it will be 3 plus square root 15i over 2 and whole to the power 3 is equal to 12. And at this moment I can see easily this equation, it will be, look, 2 to the power 2, I can see easily it will be 4. Yeah, this is 4. And in this case, look, we know that a plus b whole square, it will be a square, plus 2a, a is 3, and b is square root 15i plus b square, so it will be square root 15i whole square. Look, minus, and in this case I can say easily 2 to the power 3, it will be 8. And in this case, if you think it is a, it is b, so you know that a plus b whole cube, it will be a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. According to these rules, I can say 3 to the power 3 plus 3s square b, s square b, b is square root 15i plus 3ab square, so b is square root 15i whole square, and we know that it will be square root 15I whole to the power 3 over 8. And in this case, I can say 3 power 2. It will be 9. Yeah, it is 9. And in this case, I can say it will be 2 times 3. It will be 6 square root 15I, and it will be square root is cancelled, so it will be 15. Yeah, it is 15, and I squared, it will be minus. Because of that, I squared is equal to minus 1. So minus and plus, it will be minus 15 over 4 minus, and in this case, I can say here is 8, and it will be 3 to the power 3, 27 plus, and in this case, I can say 3 square. It will be 9. 9 times 3, it will be 27 square root 15I, and I can say easily it will be 3 times 3. It will be 9. Yeah, 9. And in this case, I can say square root is cancelled, and here is 15, and I square, it will be minus 15. Yeah. And in this case, I can say plus, and square root 15 I to the power 3. So we know that I to the power 3, it will be minus I. Look, I to the power 3, yeah, I to the power 3, I square times I, it will be minus 1 times I, it will be I, yeah, minus I. And here is square root 15 power 3. So I can see easily, it will be 15 square root 15I, and here is minus, so it will be minus. Okay, and at this moment I can say easily here is least common value is 8. Yeah, this is 8. So at this moment 8 divide 4, it will be 2. So I can say 2 times 9, it will be 18 plus 2 times 6, I can say easily it will be 8, 12. 12 square root 15I, and 2 times it will be 30. And again, I can say easily it will be 8 divided 8, it will be 1. So it will be 27 minus 27 square root 15I. Because of that plus minus, it will be minus. And in this case, 9 times 15, it will be 35. 135. So minus 135. So here is minus. So minus minus, it will be 135 plus 35, and minus minus, it will be plus. And I can say easily it will be 15 square root 15I. And at this moment, look, I can say easily here is 8, and look, 15 plus 12, it will be 27, and here is square root 15I, this is square root 15I. So I can say this it will be 27 square root 15I. It is positive, but this is negative, so both are cancelled. So, and again, here is, I can say, look, 30, and here is 18, so I can say it will be minus 12. Because of that, 30 minus 18, it will be minus 12. And here is minus 27 plus 135. Then, I can say easily, in this case, minus, it will be 39. Because of that, 27 plus 12, it will be 39 plus 135 over 8. And in this case, I can say easily, it will be 96. Look, 15 minus 9, it will be 6, and here is 12. 12 minus 3, it will be 9 over 8. So I can say 96 divide 8, it will be 12. So this is 12. So I can say this is our also right answer. Because of that, this equal 12. So I can say it is also right answer, and x is equal to minus 2, it is also right answer. This is also right answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Goodbye. Take care.